We are here at the National Tourist Zone Avaze at the Turkmen coast of Caspian Sea. Today here, the 10th Turkmenistan Gas Congress started. For 2 days, on the platform of the Congress, oil and gas companies will discuss the prospects for establishing and expanding cooperation with Turkmenistan. Among the forum participants are those who only want to conclude cooperation with the fuel and energy complex of Turkmenistan and long-standing and reliable partners. Among them is a platinum sponsor of the Congress, Petronas Charigali.
May you tell more about prospects of cooperation with Turkmenistan?
We've been in Turkmenistan for the last 23 years and very pleased with the support that we received from the host authority, including Turkmengas. And we are very bullish about the prospects moving forward. And we're also looking forward to extend our cooperation with the government of Turkmenistan. We want to do more development in terms of putting in new structures, new wells, so that we can produce more from the block to meet the demand of energy for the country, and possibly also with the opening up of the export market. We heard from the conference today the potential of the TAPI pipeline. So we are hopeful that we are able to probably maybe one day supply to that, as well as the potential of the Trans-Caspian pipeline to the west. So we have the resource in the Caspian, so we are open to the opportunity to supply both to the west as well as to the east. So yes, indeed, we are very optimistic of the opportunities looking forward, because we want to extend our involvement in the country.
For guests here, special cultural program is organized.